Hey guys, it's Cole here, and welcome to my first creative build thing. So, I'm on one of my best friends' server right now. Okay, so, it says you can build anything, don't grief, and nothing inappropriate. Okay. No? Double click. Okay, so what I'm thinking I want to build first, something really pretty obvious that lots of people like to build. It takes up red, oh crap, and white. Here, I'll just quickly show you what it is. I'm gonna create a Pokeball. It's pretty simple thing. Images. Okay. This could take a while to build. Okay. So it's red on the top, white, and then there's black with white in the middle. I'll keep that open in case I need that. Red on the top, white on the bottom. Does that look right? I don't know. I'm gonna take my best shot at it. If I fail, I fail. Simple as that. No rain. Oh, I can't believe I'm getting this much lead. Okay, let's see. Okay. Before I finish that, I'm gonna show off the fun park. There we go. I think it's called that. Yeah, the fun park. Here's the entrance. Over here is the water park. So I guess you just hop in the water and slide down. So that's pretty much it. The roller coasters, pretty straightforward. What else do we have? Petting zoo. Ocelots. Mushrooms. The dogs, or wolves, as they call them in Minecraft. And this is the eat and rest. it's like the eating place and where you can rest. So let's get back to my build. My build is pretty straightforward. Simple Pokeball. I might end up making every single Pokeball. I don't know. You'll have to find out next time. Just kidding. Okay. So, sorry guys if I'm not talking as much. I've just had getting wood. Now, why would you want to do that? Oh, and my best friend who owns the server, his Minecraft name is Major Miner. His sister's Ally Apple. One of my best friends, Mace Palm. A girl in my class, Deadly Unicorn 20. Oh, no. I'm having some troubles on this server. Do you think that's enough for the white? I think so. So I guess we just fill this in. Pretty. How much? I'm not getting too good FPS right now. 10, 7. So I'm going up to a max of 28, 29. See, I'm not used to that. I'm used to having, like, FPS at, like, 60 with my computer. See, my friend, he got, like, some hard drive or something for his computer. Without recording, he can get 300 FPS. With recording, he gets 200. I need to get one of those. Or a better computer. But I like my computer, it's nice. Oh, if you guys were wondering, no, Pokemon is not my favorite game to play. I like playing a different variety of Xbox games. Xbox games, PS3 games. Oh, I completely forgot the base part, Blackwell. So it's like one layer. Wait, let me just, sorry guys, quickly open this. It's like one layer. It's like one layer of black with a circle of black. That doesn't make sense, but whatever. Okay. That looks right, I think. I'm not too sure. Oh, yeah, so this Pokeball, I might Might end up making this poke thing, I guess. I don't know. I might not. Stuff. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks to the black. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks to the black. Ow. Bep. Hey. Okay. Boom. Pokeball. Now, that doesn't look right. I messed up somewhere. Oh, that's funny. That is really funny. That doesn't quite look like a Pokeball. There. Spokes. Okay. Break that one. That's white. Break that one. That's white. Blink. It's just a little patch in the middle. That's white. I hope I did that right. Quickly open up Safari and do Pokeball. Boom. Not Pokeballers.com. Pokeball. Oh. Well, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next episode.